Right now, we're talking to Barney Esterhuyzen. He's the CEO of DigiCore. Barney, thanks for your time. I was just looking through your income statement and I looked at the numbers and I saw revenues up 24%, but I'm seeing the profit after tax is up just 5%. Where did the money go?
It's by design, Jeffrey. The key figure to look at is our shipments. That's up 41%. And what we're aiming for is we are investing heavily into the future. So the profits, our R&D went up by 33%. And the purpose of that is really investing in the long term. So our revenue model has also changed. Traditionally, we were cash upfront type business.
Right.
We're now a subscription service-based revenue model. So we've invested heavily in securing our profits for the future.
Absolutely. We'll talk about that model change right now in a minute. But let's talk first of all about what you did in this half. So what did you invest in that took up some of that money that you say went up by a third?
Okay. We re-engineered all our hardware and all of our software products. Within 6 months from now, not a single product in our product range would be not new generation stuff. Very important to help with our competitivity going forward, our competitivity. And then further than that, we launched quite a few new projects. With Discovery, we launched into insurance. Very exciting project. Obviously can't show profit from that straight away.
Sure.
The taxi project's bit of a delay, but excited about that. That's the contactless payment systems that we've introduced, launched with ABSA in Cape Town, and we're moving into KZN.
How is that coming along?
Oh, we're delighted with it because it's also something that we can apply universally in some of our other parts in the world. So
Sure.
delighted with it. We anticipate some good revenues, but of course we can't expect revenues and particularly profits coming through so
Turnaround,
quickly.
yeah. So when you look into the future, you're investing into the future. When do you see these returns coming through?
Next financial year, we should start seeing some quite strong kick-up.
Right.
We need to bridge the gap between revenue and profit growth and earnings growth, and that we'll see start turning. In fact, then it'll start turning inverse going forward.
Okay, let's talk about where you operate around the world. 56 countries around the world. That's a huge number of countries, one would say, across different geographies, across different continents. It must be very complex to manage that business. So give us a sense of how the businesses are trading in those different geographies.
Yes. In fact, internationally, our revenue grew by 51% in the past year. So strong international growth going forward. We manage it by having regional offices, MDs in various parts, Asia, Latin America, Australia, and in Europe. So we've got strong regional managing directors, own operations, and they then deal with distributors going forward.
I'm thinking here, your treasury must be something huge, like one of the big banks.
It makes it interesting, Jeffrey. It certainly does.
It certainly does indeed. Barney Esterhuyzen, CEO of DigiCore, thanks for your time.